So there's 2 plastic tags that we need to open first. And it seems as though we open it from the side, not the top, which is not like a normal box, but it makes sense. Then there's the mic itself. It's quite heavy actually, but it's not that heavy. And I think that's all in there. And then we have some... Oh, we have a cable. Sorry, paperwork. So we have a booklet of all their products. We actually get a Thronmax sticker. Another sticker. And some important information, as it seems. And we've got a USB-C to a USB-A cable. So there's the USB-C. And there is the USB-A. And that's all in the box, so we'll put that off to the side now. And the mic's build quality is pretty good. Nice dials. Also, there's a USB-C jack at the bottom. And there seems to be a headphone jack so you can monitor while you're recording. So we've actually been using this microphone since the Google Pixel 4a review. So if you want to see how this mic sounds, you can go back to those videos from the Pixel 4a review and you can hear how this mic sounds. Plus, this whole video was actually, the voiceover for this video was actually recorded on the Thronmax MDrill Zero 1. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.